If you're having issues with inconsistent hot water supply for medium-sized households, this Rheem 7242 electric water heater delivers reliable 40-gallon capacity with 4,500 watt power for consistent heating. Features Rheem glass, line tank that resists corrosion, the R-form insulation for energy efficiency, and automatic temperature control up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The anode rod provides additional corrosion protection, while direct immersion heating elements ensure efficient water heating, built for floor mounting in residential and commercial applications requiring dependable hot water availability.